On new Layer 1 blockchains or Layer 2s, you often can't find every token on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. You can use block explorers to see what tokens people are transacting on the blockchain. As an example, for Arbitrum, go to rbscan.io, select Tokens, view ERC20 transfers. You can also view the top 20 tokens and NFT transfers. If you find something interesting, you can look it up on Twitter or DeFi Llama to find out more. You can do the same for Optimism on Optimistic Etherscan. As a different example, the block explorer for Avalanche doesn't look quite the same. Here you can check the latest block to see what users are trading and transferring. Many of the newer Layer 1 blockchains use this type of block explorer. Good luck to you, sir.